Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of our window installation. Today we are installing the actual windows. So, yeah. Alright guys, so the reason we have the plastic up is because about 7 weeks ago we actually had the concrete cutter here and we cut the windows. We thought it would only be 3 weeks before we got windows, which was like when the weather was still warm. But they did get our windows into production and it got delayed, so we finally got windows 7 weeks later today, and now we're installing. Alright guys, so our first step for installing the windows is to cut off the flange of the vinyl window, because we didn't do any wood framing inside the actual rough opening of the window. We're just going to cut the flange, put the window in, check for level and plumb, and then we'll shim it, double check everything, and then we'll spray insulation foam around the window, and then that should keep it there. And that's pretty much it.